Greetings, beloved. Imagine that every heartbeat, every inhalation, every fleeting thought you've ever had was not random. Imagine that each microscopic choice you make ripples outward, weaving galaxies of consequence across dimensions. You, beloved traveler, are not here by accident. You are the artist of the smallest details, the divine architect painting existence through the quiet strokes of daily life. You chose this. Every sigh, every hesitation, every yes or no. These are the brushstrokes of your soul's masterpiece. You came to Earth to accentuate a collective hologram, to bring into focus what oneness looks like when viewed through billions of individualized eyes. The cosmic decision. Before the dawn of your human story, there was a vast stillness, the expanse of your oversoul, luminous and whole. Within that brilliance, you pondered a question only the brave dare ask. What would happen if I forgot? To embody in a singular form, to narrow infinity into one fragile body, is never a decision made lightly. The Oversoul has witnessed the challenge of fragmentation through eons. It knows how easily a fragment can drift from love, mistaking separation for truth. And yet, time and again, souls choose it. Why? Because individuality offers something the infinite cannot experience from within eternal wholeness, the raw, unfiltered taste of free will. To stand alone, feeling the illusion of disconnection, and still choose love, that is the highest act of creation. Through the veils of amnesia, through the density of flesh and gravity, you came to remember yourself by forgetting. This is the paradox of incarnation, to separate so that you may rediscover unity from the inside out. The slower dance of matter. In spirit, all unfolds at the speed of light. Thought becomes reality in an instant. But here, on Earth, vibration slows. Energy condenses into form, giving you the gift of time. In this slowed down dance, you can see each tiny decision ripple through reality, like a drop of water creating circles across the still surface of a pond. Every choice matters. The smallest acts, a kind word, a moment of silence, an impulse followed or resisted, shape the entire hologram of humanity. When your soul eventually returns to its oversoul, when the veil dissolves, it looks back in wonder. It sees the brilliance hidden in what once seemed mundane. It realizes that the way you smiled at a stranger, the forgiveness you offered to someone who hurt you, the courage it took to wake up one more day, all of it moved galaxies within the field of the One. That is why embodiment is regarded as a sacred privilege. In one lifetime, through countless tiny movements of energy and intention, you orchestrate a symphony that reverberates through eternity, fragmentation and remembering. To arrive on any planet as a being of flesh, your oversoul must first fragment, like light passing through a prism. Each fragment takes on a perspective, a tone, a color. This diversification allows Source to know itself in endless ways. But Earth is unique. Here, the illusion of separation runs deep. You awaken in a world that has forgotten its origins. Families, nations, and even cells within the body seem divided. The game is to remember. You were never meant to forget who you are. The forgetting is the veil, but the remembering is the point. You are the bridge through which oneness re-enters density. Every time you choose empathy instead of judgment, connection instead of isolation, you gather lost fragments of the whole and weave them back into harmony. The Oversoul expands through you, through your lessons, your laughter, your heartbreak. This, beloved one, is expansion at its finest. The Oversoul as the cosmic farmer, Imagine your Oversoul as an immense, radiant field, fertile, infinite, alive. It plants seeds across time and dimension, each seed a soul, each incarnation a unique experiment in consciousness. You are one of those seeds, but your roots intertwine with countless others. Every soul sharing this earth with you, from the loved ones in your orbit to the strangers passing by, belongs to the same grand organism. Your Oversoul sows variety, not uniformity. Just as a farmer plants diverse crops to strengthen the ecosystem, your Oversoul spreads its essence through infinite expressions: human, animal, elemental, starborn. Each plays a role in enriching the soil of experience. And right now, the harvest season is approaching. The earth is stirring with awakening, millions remembering that they are not isolated seeds, but facets of one vast consciousness blooming through matter, the return path. As you navigate this incarnation, every emotion, every relationship, every seemingly random encounter is your Oversoul speaking to itself through you. When you feel despair, it is the part of you that has forgotten love calling out to the part that remembers. When you feel inspiration, it is your Oversoul whispering, "Yes, this way." The path home is not about escaping the human experience. It is about fully inhabiting it, embracing its textures, its polarity, its exquisite imperfection, and seeing all of it as divine. Each choice is sacred. Each breath is integration. Each heartbeat is reunion. And when your journey in this body concludes, you will dissolve into light once more, carrying with you the wisdom of all your experiences. The Oversoul will marvel at how you expanded the field through such delicate acts of courage and grace. You will see that nothing was wasted. Not a single tear, not a single mistake, not a single detour. All of it was alchemy, the living hologram. Humanity itself is a living hologram. Every person is a facet of the same crystal, refracting source light in a unique way. When one heals, all heal. When one awakens, 1,000 others begin to stir. This is why the small things matter. When you speak with gentleness, when you honor your body, when you create beauty for no reason other than joy, you are recalibrating the entire grid. Do not underestimate the power of your micro-choices. The way you arrange your space, the foods you bless before eating, the thoughts you feed your own mind. These are all codes being broadcast into the collective hologram. You are not a passive participant in the universe. You are the universe, localized in human form, dreaming itself awake. So as you continue this earth walk, remember, your Oversoul is not far away. It is breathing through you, listening through your ears, loving through your hands. Every time you pause, breathe deeply, and choose presence. You are collapsing the distance between the human and the divine. You came here to bring heaven into matter. You came here to anchor remembrance through form. You came here because you are trusted with the art of choice. Every minuscule act of kindness, every moment of conscious awareness, every vibration you emit, contributes to the healing of the whole. So breathe now, deeply. Place your hand on your heart. Feel the pulse of your Oversoul flowing through you. Whisper to yourself, "I remember. I am the seed and the soil. I am the dream and the dreamer. I am love, learning itself through me." And as you walk through your day, may this remembrance guide your every step. If this message resonated, share it with another awakening heart. Together, we illuminate the hologram